Groundbreaking news for East Orlando. 2025 has been a monumental year for the Grow, Central Florida's very first Agrihood. This isn't going to be your typical subdivision. It's a master plan community centered around a 9-acre working farm with farmhouse aesthetics. We're the Teston Team, Orlando Realtors, and we live right next to the Grow, so subscribe to our page if you want the latest up-to-date information on when homes become available, what models they have, and all the neighborhood info on the Grow. If you've driven past East Colonial Drive lately, you've likely noticed a transformation. The dust is settling, the vision's finally coming to life, and you can now see the physical design of the neighborhoods taking place. The construction is organized into over a dozen phases, ensuring that as the community grows, the amenities grow with it. Phase 1 will be the Welcome Center and Farm Stand. This is the heart of the project. It will serve as the hub for future residents to learn about the farm-to-table lifestyle. The first of the residential phases will sit near the main entrance, and it's going to feature a mix of townhomes and single-family homes, some with alleyway access streets, others on 50 to 60-foot lots. The introductory single-family home is the Benton model, and it will start in the low 400s. This home will have 1,628 square feet of living space with entry to the garage from the rear of the home. Floor plans and video walkthroughs are already up on our website, testonteam.com. But the Grow will have plenty to choose from with 5 townhome models and 17 single-family home options ranging from the Benton up to the Merlot Grand Vintage, which is over 4,000 square feet. So whether you're looking for a low-maintenance townhome or a sprawling single-family estate, the Grow has a floor plan designed to fit your needs. One thing that sets Pulte Homes apart from other builders is that they make building with them easy. Their professional design team puts together cultivated packages to choose from, so that when it comes time to picking out cabinets, flooring, and finishes, you know you're going to get a stylish-looking home that goes well together. And it's not just A, B, or C. They have several options to choose from. Here are some examples of what they've offered in other nearby neighborhoods like Sunset Preserve, Estates at Lake Pickett, and Everby. You don't have to wait for the grand opening to see what's happening. The Teston Team is already on the ground, filming exclusive video tours of the available models and construction progress. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our upcoming walkthroughs. Which model would you like to see first? Contact us today to schedule your visit and plant your roots in Orlando's most anticipated new community.